Hi guys, this is going to be so much fun. I have really learned a lot in regards to online learning as I've put together a curriculum for us for the duration of our time online. What that's going to look like, so far we don't know, but for now we're going to have some fun with it. First thing I wanted to do was help you navigate Schoology. When you log in, you're going to see your dashboard set up with all of your classes. So it won't look quite this way on yours. Obviously, these are my courses because I teach these, but you'll have your English, your math, your science, your social studies. So for this purpose, let's just go in and navigate English. So go ahead and click on it. And if you'll notice, our classes are going to be set up by week. This very first one is a discussion board, and this is just to get us started and comfortable with the process of learning online. If you want to get into a specific assignment, you're going to click on the link that highlights here, and it will take you into that assignment. I'm going to navigate us back to the other options for this week. We also have this. This is our week's worth of work. And if you're curious about how much is in it before clicking into it, you can just click on this little arrow and it will show you everything that you are going to be doing for that week. Also, we have an additional folder called Extra Work. Again, this is for other learning opportunities and resources for you. Let's go ahead and click into April 6th through 10th. It's going to list it out even further for you so that you can see exactly what is going to be happening that week. We have an agenda, and my suggestion would be to go through each of these highlighted links so that you can figure out how to work through those. One of the things that I noticed as I was playing with this is learning how to navigate back to the original screen. So let me just click into the agenda, and after I've read this, I'm going to want to go back to where I was previously. And notice you don't have a net or a previous or a back, but you do have these. Up here it says English section 54. It's going to take me back to my home screen. Okay. Even if I go into these other folders, it still has this option here. This will take me right back to that. Okay. However, if I wanted to navigate out of this class and go to another, you can exit by going to courses and clicking on that, and that will take you right back to your dashboard. Hopefully this helps a little bit, and if you've got any questions, feel free to send those to me, because my goal is to help you feel comfortable with this new platform, this new format of learning. And we'll talk to you guys later.